A new Salik toll gate on Business Bay Bridge has been operational from midnight on Sunday, which has been raising the travel cost for Dubai residents. It affects major routes connecting Sharjah, northern Dubai, and business areas like Business Bay. Many residents are feeling the financial impact and sharing how their daily travel has been affected. Faisal Ahmed, an accountant from Gaurhout, now spends 8 dirhams on his daily tolls, adding 200 dirhams on his monthly expenses. He tried using alternate routes to avoid the tolls, but every route looks very congested, forcing him to adjust his budget. One more person has shared their experience, Aisha Nida. Aisha Nida, a resident from Al Tuar, travels by taxi to Business Bay. Her fare has increased from 60 dirhams to 65 dirhams, crossing 2 toll gates. One is the airport tunnel and the new Business Bay gate. For someone who depends their travels through taxis every day, this small amount has added up to their monthly expenses, which has been increased. One more resident from Sharjah was surprised when he unknowingly passed through the new toll gate while visiting his friend in Al Jadaf. People are expressing frustration because their navigation tools are not showing the updated version. While the toll aims to manage traffic, it has left many residents to struggle with their monthly budget. Some have tried avoiding toll routes, but the increase of traffic has made it impractical. The new toll gate is a reminder that how a small change in a toll tax can impact the daily routine and the expenses in Dubai. Thank you for watching.